So we put down the 12 and brushed it, and then I got some of the slop up by hand. And on a big area like this, we'll just use one pad, quick, fast, dry out some of the 12, and then we'll put 7 on the grout line and dry that. On this particular job, we only need 12 and 7. Okay, so we did, this is now 7, and I just wiped up some of the excess, and then we use the machine real quick. The big area to finish. And look at the area that we did already. It's already dry and done. And the grout line started to dry out and looks really good. We're talking like 20 minutes done and dry. Every pad gets dirt out. That's like the 4th side already, we're still getting dirt out.